So Paul asks, where I live, it gets really cold out in the winter and my eyes get dried out all of the time. What can I do? Hey Paul, that's a great question. I personally live up in Minnesota where it's freezing cold most of the year, and I personally have dry eyes, so I know exactly how you're feeling. Some people experience watery eyes in the wintertime and they think that they have a problem with tearing, but a lot of times it's just that the eyes are dry and the body's recognizing that and trying to fix it itself. So it's common to experience dry and irritated eyes when exposed to cold environments because usually the cold air has a very low humidity and that causes your tears to evaporate faster. One way you can prevent dryness is just by wearing some protective eyewear. That actually is going to protect your eyes from the harsh elements of the winter air, including wind and snow. Also keep in mind of any direct airflow from heaters or furnaces that you might be exposed to. I know when I'm in the car, I like to make sure that the heater is pointing down toward the floor instead of directly in my face. And also when indoors, the heater that's going on in your house or workplace usually is very dry as well. So having a humidifier, either at home in living rooms or your bedroom, or even at the office can help as well. Sometimes in extreme weather, you may actually experience your eyelashes freezing together, but it's not a major concern. Just make sure you either use your hand or maybe a warm compress to melt those frozen lashes. Also consider supplementing with artificial tears, or if you're having a real hard time, talk with your local eye doctor for any other medications or other treatments for dry eyes. Hey Paul, thanks for asking. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you have any other questions, make sure to use the hashtag AskAnEyeDoc.